There is a mad dash out of Florida right now. This is the Orlando Airport, MCO. Take a look at the TSA line. People were saying they waited over an hour for TSA, which really sometimes isn't surprising at Orlando, but just look how long those lines are. This is because MCO is closing at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Tampa, they've already closed the airport. Clearwater St. Pete is closing as well tonight. That is just crazy though, all those folks trying to get out. Please everyone be safe, and remember, if you do need to make some changes to your flights, most airlines now are rescheduling for free if you need to do that. Thanks guys, please like and subscribe.